Hello and welcome to the DX Pro Guide on the financial module. There are two options when it comes to your accounting module, depending on your company situation. You will use either cash flow or GL. Let's begin with the cash flow menu. Click on the cash flow menu. The following subtabs will appear: cash flow transactions, templates, bank cash flow, banks, analysis, currency rates, and company info. Cash flow transactions are a list of the transactions automatically made through issuing an invoice or purchase note, or listed transactions that were manually issued. Banks. This shows you the listings of the bank accounts you have, which are active and which are no longer active. You can see the balance for each bank account. In order to see the current account balance, you must input all income and expenses. The information between your bank account and expenses is not automatically synced up. Analysis. This means the transaction types. Example, payments, expenses, or any special transaction you want to insert. This is the table to do it. Then you can choose the transaction type on the transaction listing itself. Currency rates. This will show you the currency rates. You need to update the currency rates once a year. Company info. This includes name, address, contact info, and under the accounting tab, you also have your business or registration number. Now let's look at the GL menu. For the GL menu, it is important to note that if you are not an accountant, it is best not to touch it. Journal entry. This is all of the GL transactions that have been moved to the journal. GL transactions. All your transactions automatically appear and are taken from your financial documents, such as invoices. Open vouchers. This is when you move the transaction to a voucher. The voucher will stay open until you close it. Check deposit. If you issue or produce a receipt for a payment that was made by check, the check will appear here. Cash flow. This shows you the cash flow of the GL. Payment terms. This is the payment terms table. For example, your payment terms for issued invoices may be cash, 60 days, 90 days, etc. Then we have the balance groups. This is a balance sheet showing your assets and liabilities. It is subdivided into short-term or long-term liabilities. Assets are a group, and then the subgroups, which are the BS subgroups. BS subgroups, balance sheet subgroups. Below the subgroups, you have the various accounts that make that subgroup. Individual accounts that are linked to the subgroups and indirectly to the groups. There is a 3-level hierarchy. Below a subgroup, you will have bank accounts. Company info. This includes name, address, contact info, and logo. On the Accounting tab, you can update or change your financial information, your business registration or ID number. There's also an Accounting tab to see the company accounting details. Next, we have currency rates. This will show you the currency rates. You need to update the currency rates once a year. Finally, we have basic tables. Here you can find the table of currency types, credit card types, and GL analysis. And that is it. For further help or guidance, please contact our support team. Thank you.